Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing the 10-minute challenge. Now if you haven't heard of this, I actually got this from Gigi. I don't know how to say her name, but I'll put it up on the screen for her or have her information down below in the description. But here on YouTube she did a 10-minute challenge. I can't remember exactly who was the originator, but I'm just going to give Gigi the credit because that's kind of where I seen it. So basically I'm going to go to a couple different rooms around the house and just have 10 minutes. I'm probably going to have to stop like around lunchtime because it's creeping up really quickly, but I just need to pick up just a few things around the house before it gets kind of out of control. Now this morning my oldest son, he did tell me that he did go ahead and clean up his room and he cleaned up the house, and he did a pretty good job. Of course there's a few things I need to fix, but for the most part he did do most of the job. I'm going to be dusting, mostly that's kind of what I'm going to focus on. If I have enough time I will sweep and mop. And without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that bell button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I didn't finish my bedroom, but there's just a few things that I just want to pick up. It's just a few diapers that I didn't use that I want to just put away, and as well as the baby's lotion. I gave her a bath today, so I just need to put that up. Just a few things, and then the boys' schoolwork. I'm probably just gonna leave it out because I'm gonna be going through the curriculum today and just kind of preparing for next week. So it does need to stay out, but I'm just gonna straighten it out and just lay it on my bed. So that's one thing on my task. It doesn't have anything to do with cleaning, but I do need to get prepared. If you guys have not seen my homeschool 101 video, I will put it in the cards for you guys, because it gives you all like my tips, tricks, and why I homeschool. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. Over here is pretty good. I'm probably just gonna move this. I'm gonna move that back out the way. I would like to vacuum, so I will probably do that, see how long that takes me. But like I said, I'm just gonna pick this up and put it on my bed. I should have all of these clothes right here, the diapers. These are my cloth diapers. I have a video on my cloth diapers as well. I just ended up purchasing some new diapers and I'm absolutely loving those, so I'll go ahead and put that in the cards for you guys as well. But other than that, that's just her birth cloth right there. I did need that to stay out, so it actually just fell down from her crib because it just needs to stay there. But like I was saying, I definitely want to pick up that. I have my water over there. That kind of just stays there because when I'm breastfeeding, I do need to have water, because if you don't know, breastfeeding takes a lot of calories and a lot of energy, so I always keep my water there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right behind there in a glass jar. And then, like I was saying, there's a couple of unused diapers there, so I just need to fold the blankets up there because the kids usually bring that out throughout the day. And then I just need to pick up some of their yogurts that they had earlier. This guy is having a complete fit. Do you want to take a nap? No? Okay. Okay, whatever. I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. So I just need to kind of clean up from breakfast and finish my coffee. I never finished drinking that, put that away. I do need to take the trash out, but I'm not going to include that with my 10 minutes just because it's downstairs and I'm not about to waste 5 minutes taking the trash out. So I will take that out later, but I need to clean up baby girl's stuff from her bath today, or this morning I should say. And then there's some more trash around, coffee, breakfast stuff, but don't mind him. He's having a whole fit. And then a few dishes over here. And then I just haven't put this stuff, my groceries, up for a couple of days. So I don't know what I'm going to do. And those honestly just might stay there. Just being honest. So let me go ahead, get some music started. And let me choose my battery because I do need a new battery. So yeah, I'll be right back. So I didn't end up actually finishing everything, and I lost the clip of the timer going off. The last thing that I wanted to do was just basically mop the floors because we have a lot of traffic in there and it just gets really sticky and, you know, life happens. But besides all that, moving along in the kitchen, I ended up trying to start lunch and it was a complete disaster. I ended up spilling all the cauliflower, well, not all of it, but some of the cauliflower rice on the floor and made a bigger mess. And I don't know if you guys know about this, it was frozen, so it made the floors like super watery and it was just becoming a mess. You guys will see I was rushing at the end trying to get it done, and you guys will just see. Just wait, you'll see what happens. guys, so as you can see, I did run out of time because lunch is about to happen and I don't have any more time to clean up my house. Mom life is starting. We'll never end it, but you get what I'm saying. If you're a mom, you already know what I'm talking about. But I will definitely try to tackle my bathroom. That's the only room that I didn't get to tackle or kind of straighten up, as well as the entryway. And I didn't get to mop, sweep and mop the whole entire house. I did want to mop because I try to mop at least every day, if not every other day or every couple of days. So it really needs to get mopped, because the other day when I mopped, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday when I mopped, it was really disgusting, and yeah, I don't want to look like that. So I'll probably get to that later, or maybe I'll bring you guys along with me, maybe in another video, maybe a nighttime routine. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, I was able to pick up the boys' room, my room, the living room, and the kitchen. And as you can see, the kitchen, I kind of made a mess a little bit because lunch is starting to happen and they're waiting for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, but if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, as well as hit that bell button so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So what else? I think that is it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!